2026 is not waiting for anybody. Right now, millions of people around the world are searching for ways to make money online, build freedom, escape financial pressure, and take control of their future. But while many people are scrolling the social media every day watching other people succeed, a few people are quietly building skills that can completely change their lives. And one of those skills is Forex trading. Now, listen carefully. Forex is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It is not magic, and it is definitely not easy. But if you approach it with discipline, patience, and consistency, Forex trading can become one of the most powerful skills you ever learn in your life. Now, in this video, I want to speak to beginners, intermediate traders, and even experienced traders. If you were ever doubted yourself, if you ever lost money, if you ever wanted to quit, this video is for you. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. Now, because 2026 could either become another year of excuses or the year your life finally changes. So, why Forex is fast growing in 2026? Let's ask ourselves that question. Let's be honest. The world has changed. The way people work has also changed. The way people make money has changed. And the internet has created opportunities that did not exist a few years ago. In 2026, people no longer want to depend on one salary. People want freedom. People want flexibility. People want control over their time and income. Okay? And that is why Forex trading continues to grow every single year. Today, all you need is just a smartphone, internet connection, discipline, and willingness to learn. Now, with all this, you can literally analyze the Forex market charts from your bedroom. You can learn all those strategies that you see from YouTube. You can also practice on demo accounts. There are various demo accounts on every Forex broker. You can connect with traders around the world. There are various communities. We have Tony Forex Academy, for example. Link for this connection are on the description. And then, once you connect with these traders around the world, think about it for a second. Years ago, trading was only left for banks and wealthy institutions. But nowadays, the average person has access to financial markets right from their pocket. And the truth is, many people are waking up to these opportunities. For example, here in Kenya, many people, many young Forex traders are waking up to these opportunities. And even, it doesn't matter the age. As long as you're over 18, these opportunities for you. That's why you should not ignore Forex trading in 2026. So, why Forex is more than just money? That's one thing that you really need to understand, that Forex is not more than money. Or Forex is more than money. Which is which? Is Forex more than money or Forex not more than money? Now let me tell you something important. Forex is not only about making money. Yes, these profits matter. The profits that you get, they matter. Yes, the financial freedom that you want also matters. But trading also changes you as a person. People don't tell you this. But Forex trading, trust me, if you start Forex trading, Forex teaches patience. Forex will teach you emotional control. Forex will teach you discipline. Forex will teach you responsibility. The market, the Forex market will expose every weakness that you have. And if you are impatient, the market will punish you. If you are greedy, the market will humble you. If you lack discipline, the market will show you immediately. But if you stay committed in this journey, you slowly become stronger mentally, because you need a very strong mentality to succeed in this journey, in this industry. And that is why many successful traders become disciplined people in real life. You entirely become disciplined. You don't just go out anytime. You are disciplined. There are some habits that you will have to leave, because Forex will build routines. You'll have routines where you follow every day, Monday to Friday. If you're trading crypto, that is 24/7. Forex will manage your emotions better. Forex will help you learn consistency. If you have to be successful, you'll have focus. You'll have focus on long-term growth. Forex can give you the freedom to travel. Forex can give you the freedom to work remotely, support your family, build businesses, and create opportunities you never imagined possible. But remember this, the goal is not just to become rich. The goal is to become free. That's why you need to start trading Forex in 2026. So, another question that I've been asking myself is, why most traders fail? Now, let's talk about the painful truth. Most traders, they quit. They not only quit, but not because Forex is impossible or Forex is hard, but because they give up too early. Many beginners, they just enter the trading platform. They think they will become rich overnight. They open one account, they lose money, they become emotional, and then they quit. But what they fail to understand is this: every profitable trader you see today was once a beginner. Every successful trader has lost trades. Every successful trader has doubted themselves. Every successful trader has experienced frustrations. Losses are part of the journey. This is one thing that you really need to understand. You cannot become a profitable trader without learning painful lessons. And sometimes the market is not testing your strategy. Sometimes the market is testing your mindset. You can stay calm during losses. That's a question the market will ask you indirectly. Can you stay calm during losses? Can you avoid revenge trading? Can you remain disciplined after a winning streak? Can you stay patient with when nothing is moving? That is the real challenge. Most people are not defeated by the market. They are defeated by emotions. That's why psychology is more important than strategy. A simple strategy with the discipline will always beat a complicated strategy without emotional control. You need your emotions right. So, to beginners who are starting Forex trading, if you're a beginner watching this video, I want you to listen carefully. Do not compare your chapter 1 to somebody else chapter 10. Every expert, every professional trader, every successful trader was once confused. Every pro trader has once struggled to understand the Forex charts. Every profitable trader once made beginner mistakes. So don't be ashamed to start small. Okay? In fact, in 2026, this is one of the best times for Forex traders to begin, if you want to begin. And why so? Because education is now everywhere. You can learn all these technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, psychology, market structure, and all these strategies, all these trading strategies. You can learn them online for free. There are various platforms to just search. Make good use of the search engine. Okay, there's Google, there's ChatGPT to simplify things for you if you don't understand complex words involved in Forex. Okay, so you can also use demo accounts before risking real money. You can join community. There are so many communities that you can join. You can journal your trades. You can improve step by step. And let me tell you something important. You do not need huge amount of money to begin. You do not need expensive cars to begin Forex trading. You do not need luxury setups. What you need is consistency, discipline, and patience. And then you also need to focus on learning fast. Do not rush profits. Okay? You build your skill fast. Make sure you build this skill fast, because this skill will pay you for life. Okay? That is for beginners. And now I have a message to intermediate traders. Now, let me speak to these traders who are stuck. This is where, because Forex is a journey, okay? And nobody will escape this, okay? Maybe you've been trading for months or even years. Maybe you understand the charts better, but you're still not consistently profitable, okay? So, you need to understand that you might be even beyond break even, okay? Maybe you keep making the same mistakes. Maybe you're frustrated because you feel you're close but not yet there. Now listen carefully. Break even, okay? Break even is not failure. Break-even means you are improving, okay? Most traders quit exactly before their breakthrough and do not quit. At this stage, the problem is usually not your strategy. The problem is, understand this, the problem is consistency. You may know what to do, but your emotions still interfere, okay? Avoid overtrading, fear, greed. Stop being impatient, okay? Stop switching from one strategy to another. These things will destroy your progress. So what should you do? Slow down, okay? Master one strategy, okay? Journal every trade, okay? Improve your risk management, okay? Protect your mindset, okay? Create routines, okay? And then, very important, take care of your health, meaning sleep properly, exercise, stay focused. And remember, trading is a marathon and it's not a sprint, okay? Now, it is very important to know that the market will only reward consistency, not desperation. The market doesn't care. It will reward consistency and not desperation. And now I have a message to the successful traders, those who have made it. To the experienced traders watching this video, respect to you guys, because you understand what most people don't see. You know the sacrifices. You know about the sleepless nights you had before you made it. You know the emotional battles you went through. Nobody saw you going through this. You know the discipline required to survive in this industry. Now, at this level, your trading becomes less exciting, okay? It becomes less, it's just a normal thing, and it's more about consistency, and you understand your craft better. You've stopped chasing the hype. You focus on risk. You think long term. You protect your capital. You're building systems. And many pro traders eventually realize something important. That trading is not about personal success. It's also about the impact that they leave in the society. And how do most of these successful traders do it? They teach others, okay? They build communities, okay? They are creating businesses. They're helping families. They're also inspiring people who are struggling. And that is powerful because they understand that your journey could motivate someone else to never give up. That is very important. So, respect to you guys who have made it. Now, I know some of you are watching this and are tired. Maybe you've blown your accounts. Maybe people have laughed at your dreams. Maybe your family doesn't believe in Forex trading. Maybe you feel like giving up. But listen carefully. Success in Forex is not reserved for special people. It belongs to people who refuse to quit. The market rewards persistence. Never give up. Sometimes your breakthrough comes after your hardest season. Sometimes your biggest lesson comes after your worst loss, okay? Do not let temporary failure convince you to abandon your future. You're learning, you're growing, you're improving. And one day, the same journey that made you cry will become the story that inspires many other people. Never forget that. So as we move into 2026, the second half of the year, ask yourself one question. Will this be another year of excuses, or the year you finally take your goals seriously? Remember, Forex trading is not easy, but neither is staying broke, neither is living without freedom, neither is giving up on your dreams. So, start small, learn daily, protect your mindset, stay disciplined, stay patient, and most importantly, never give up on yourself. Because the person who keeps learning, keeps improving, okay, and keep showing up, you will eventually win. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe. Join our Forex trading community. Link is on bio, and also follow Tony Forex Academy for more trading, education, and motivation. Thank you guys for listening, and I appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. As you are watching this, if you want to start Forex, I plead with you to not give up as you start. This is a successful journey, that if you begin, dedicate your time, pray, and you'll succeed.